Hey there, guys. Welcome to Easy Way of Life. I'm David Lopez, and today what we're going to go over is how to actually whitelist an email address on Gmail. So stick around and find out how to actually whitelist one of your friends, family members, or even a company that you don't want actually going into spam. This could be useful for you. So let's get started. So first of all, I'm going to switch screens here. And what you're going to do is you're going to log in first into your Gmail account. Okay. Once you're inside your Gmail account, if you don't find the actual email that you want to whitelist in your primary folders, or it's not in your social folder or your promotions folder, check your spam by clicking here on the more. Once you click on more, come down to spam and left click on it. And right here in spam, you're going to probably find that email that you're looking for. In this case, is our email. So what we're going to do in order to whitelist this email, we're going to first check it, then hit not spam. This will move it into your actual inbox, which you can just scroll back up and click inbox right over here on the top. Once you're here, it should be in your primary, but always check if it's not in your primary. It might be on your social or it might be in your promotions. But once you actually have it here, what we're going to do to make sure that this doesn't happen again is we're going to go ahead and open that. And the actual address starting from the @ is where we want to copy this. So we're going to go ahead and left click and drag all the way to that @ symbol. So make sure that the @ symbol, the domain .org or .net or .com is actually selected. And you're going to hit Control-C on a Windows operating system. And you're just going to hit copy, okay, by hitting Control-C. Then what you're going to do is you're going to come right up here to the top. And you're going to click on Show Search Options. Once you click here on the top, here where it says From, you're just going to make sure that the cursor's right here by left clicking. So once it's blinking, you're going to go ahead and hit Control V, which is going to paste what you just copied. This will trigger the create filter to be on and clickable. Once that's clickable, go ahead and click it. Then here in this screen is going to ask, what do you want to do with this address? Make sure you follow this. First and foremost, what you want to make sure to do is never send it to spam. So this way it will always go to your primary folder. The next thing you want to do is you want to actually click always mark it as important. And then the next thing you're going to want to do is choose the category where you want it to always land in. In this case, your primary inbox. This will make sure that it always goes to your primary instead of those promotion tabs or the other tabs that you have. Once these three things are checked, go ahead and hit Create Filter. Once you have that created filter, you're really done. Congratulations, you have it whitelisted. Now, in order to find where your actual filterings are, you're going to go ahead and click right here on the gear, which is your settings, and then you're going to click on See All Settings. Once you click here, you're going to see a couple of tabs up here on the top. The ones we're interested in is the one that says Filters and Blocked Addresses. You're going to left click on that. And once here, you can see the filter that we have actually created. So in this case, if you actually came via email and you're here for the bonus, I'm going to ask you at this very moment and in this screen to take a screenshot of this screen. If you're in a Windows PC, go ahead and hit the Windows key and then hit the print screen button along with it. That should take an actual screenshot of this whole page here, which you can send to us so we can verify and send you your bonus. Okay, if you're in a Mac computer, I believe it's actually going to be Command Shift 3. All 3 buttons pressed at once in order to take a screenshot. Okay? Once you take that screenshot, go ahead and reply to our email with that screenshot attached to it. And just write down in the actual comment section, just write, hey, give us the bonus. And that way we'll send the bonus directly to you as soon as possible. Just give us at least 24 hours to do so. And by then, that is all that I have to share. So congratulations. This is the way you actually create a whitelist email. And you can create many filters if you wish. Okay, by following the same process. So again, guys, I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please leave a like. Leave a comment down below if you have any other questions. We love comments. We'll answer those comments. Also, if you like it, subscribe. Click that notification bell so you don't miss any of our reviews. So with that, take care, guys, and I hope you have a wonderful day.